Hello there! Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please do not forget to subscribe and hit the bell button so you won't miss any new videos from me. For today's video, I'll show you how to make a paragraph alignment in Microsoft Word. First, you need to make sure that you already opened your Microsoft Word. So for the next step, I already copied a sample paragraph, and that way you'll have a better reference. Okay, we'll use this one. Now, how do we do paragraph alignment in Microsoft Word? So, under Home tab, you'll see several options. Now, for you to change the paragraph alignment, you need to select first the specific paragraph that you want to change the alignment, and then right here, under the paragraph tab, you'll see here some sample alignments. So if you are unsure of that specific option, you can hover your cursor right there, and that way you can check the definition or what's the purpose of that specific option. So if you want this paragraph to be aligned on the left part or left side, all you have to do is select that one, and there, it is already aligned on the left portion. But if you want this paragraph to be aligned, centered, you can select that one as well. There, it is already centered. If you want this paragraph to be aligned on the right side, you can also select the align right option. And if you want it to be justified, you can just select this as well. And if you'll check every option, there is also a sample or shortcut keys example for the alignment left part. You just need to select this Control L. For the center, Control E. For the alignment of right, Control R. And for the justify, Control J. And there, that's how you do paragraph alignment in Microsoft Word. I hope this video really helped you. See you on my next video, and bye for now.